Okay, welcome back ulit sa ating live. Dahil nila na sa ating third quarter. Official score, 29-41. Magkakalaban tayo sa second half. Good luck. Torre. Pass to Felipe. Pass to Carter. Number 5. No. Iba ng West. Grame. Running shot, no good. Rebound by Pahe. Pass to Felipe, to Jai. Espolita, drop pass, number 5, miss. Out last touch.
Foul number 1. First personal foul, first free foul.
Foul number 1. Felipe for this guy, no good. Felipe using the glass and score for Vinky Felipe. Babasa sa buong lamang ng defending champion, 41-31. Number 31 for 3, no good, rebound. Number 21 and gets the foul.
Foul number 75 is Esteban. Second personal foul, first free foul.
Two shots.
Galang nito!
Side step, no good. Rebound, Pahe. Uy, there's a foul.
Foul number
Good shot para jersey number 17. That's Pahe.
Larissa. Second personal foul, second free foul.
First shot is good. Second shot, wala. Substitution, Balboa coming in.
Substitution.
Number 5, jam shot, basket. Esteban.
Seconds to shoot.
Number 2, fake. Pass number 31, side step.
Line down.
There's a foul.
Foul number 4. First personal foul, second team foul.
Gets the 3. Wala. Iba pa rin ang defending champion. Number 2. Balboa. Matake. Wala extra pass. Oy! Nakalusot. Ang West Grame doon. Felipe. Ay na 1-on-1. Basket by Esteban. Baba ulit sa walong lamang ng defending champ, 36-44. Balboa for 3, no good. Rebound by Esteban. Pass to Pae, pass to Jai. Torre, outlet pass, Esteban. Here comes, wala pa rin. Felipe and 1. rebound for Binky Felipe.
Second personal foul for number 31 for team foul.
Shoutout po sa ating mga barangay dyan sa Santa Lucia. Let's go! Well, the shot for Felipe Bingong or
Official score
Binky.
38 for team foul.
Well, the shot, basket. Last 7 minutes left. Bola rito ng defending champion. Number 31. Pass to number 13. Umatake. Wala. Rebound by De La Cruz. Outlet pass. Esteban. Oh! So that's Jai Torre.
Foul number 13.
Two shot for Jai.
Personal foul. Learning for penalty.
Time out. West Crame Elementary School.
Foul out. West Grave Elementary School.
Official score 44-39. Baba sa limang-limang ng defending champion. Tingnan natin ang adel ng West Crame dito.
Back to the verdict.
Two shots for Jai Torre. First shot is good. Diba sa apat ang kalamangan ng defending champion. Second shot for Jai. Here we go. Wala. Rebound ng West Crame. Oh, munti ka na magawan. Uy! There's a foul by Felipe.
Second personal foul for team foul. Dalawa na po.
6 minutes and 23 seconds. Bola ng defending champion, number 31.
10 seconds.
Drop pass. Oy, wala. Rebound. Malong. Gets the putback. Felipe. Passes Polita. To Esteban. Jai for 3. Yes! Para sa Torres. For Jai Torre. Baba na lamang sa tatlo. Ang lamang ng defending champion. Pinasa corner. Oh, and a step in on the line. Good defense para Santa Lucia Elementary School. Felipe na itawid. Esteban de la Cruz. Wala. Rebound ng defending champion. Number 31 is setting on the play. Colombo. Crossover. Pass to number 2. Balboa. Wala. Rebound. Espolita. Pass to Jai. 1-on-2. 2 against 2. Torre. What an extra pass. Espolita miss it. Offensive rebound. Jai Torre. Mira putback. 46-45. Isa na lang ang lamang ng defending champion. Number 31, binigay. Balboa with a fake. Tumira, wala. Rebound by Felipe. Pass to Jai. Jai nagmamadali. Derecho. Basket is good. For Jai Torre. Change favor. Good defense. Para Santa Lucia. Substitution. Argarin coming in. Time Time out. Santa Lucia Elementary School. With the time remaining 4 minutes and 19 seconds. 47-46. Tingnan natin ang hadal dito ng ating Santa Lucia Elementary School.
Santa Lucia.
Alright, back to the ball game. Let's go. 4 minutes and 19 seconds. Castro. Umatake. Miss. Rebound. Pass to Balboa. Balboa step back to. No good. Rebound by De La Cruz. Pass to Escolita. Escolita. Pass to number 14. Esteban. Back to number 14. Fake. Number 14. Kick out. Jai. Top of the key. 4-3. No good. Rebound. Number 14. Pull up jumper. Miss. De La Cruz. Walang tawag. And out of bound. Last touch. Bola rito ng defending champion. 3 minutes and 33 seconds. Bola rito ng defending champion. Pinasa kita. Balboa with a catch and shoot. Basket is good. Change favor. Balik ang kalamangan sa defending champ. Torre. Setting on the play. Top of the key. 4-3. No good. Rebound. Argarin with the ball. Pass to Castro. Number 21, umatake, drop pass, Argarin, binigay, makakuha pa rin, Balboa with a catch and shoot, number 21, no good, rebound, number 14, pass to De La Cruz, that is Jai, too strong, rebound, ng West Crame, Balboa, pass to number 13, binigay sa loob, Argarin, wala, rebound, nagagawan, Argarin with a goal, steal, makakuha, ay na nag-aagawan. Binigay. Balboa to number 21. Wala pa rin. Oh, steal by Argarin. Argarin with the cross. Spin move to Mira. Wala na naman. Rebound by De La Cruz. Ay na, naitawid. Number 14. Staring on the play. Pass to Jai from elbow 3. Wala. Rebound ng defending champion. Castro to number 13, bounce pass, number 8, pass good by Salvador. 50-47, balik sa tatlong lamang ng defending champion. Time remaining 1 minute and 48 seconds. Number 14, babawi sa tres, wala, rebound ng West Crame Elementary School. Ayan na, binigay. Another steal for Santa Lucia Element. Another steal for West Crame. Number 15, Argarin to Balboa. Wala. Ooh. Offensive foul. Teams under penalty situation. The defending champion under penalty situation sa ating third period. Number 14, shooting the line. First shot is good. Second shot by number 14. Basket is good. Down by 1. 49-50. Let's go. Number 13, umatake, umupo sa ere at nakalusot. By Castro. Felipe, pass number 14, fake. Up another and gets the foul. vote. First shot para kay number 14. Wala. Yun lang. Basket para kay number 14. 1 minute and 2 seconds left. Castro with the ball. Pinasa sa corner to number 8.
10 seconds to shoot.
Uy, last touch. White ball. Paul. Kililan. Pass to Andre. Back to Paul. Pinasa sa elbow for 3. Short. Rebound. Ang defending champion. Number 13. Pass to Argarin. Binigay. Balboa. Number 8. Miss. Andre outlet pass. Felipe. Oh!
Foul number 23.
Gets a foul.
First personal foul. Penalty.
2 shots para kay Felipe. Bingi. Time remaining. Last 18 seconds. First shot is good for Felipe. Second shot for Felipe. Ayan na, miss. Rebound. May Argarin. Argarin nagmamadali. Pinas. Uy. Number 2. Double team. Uy. Hindi ka na magawan. Biligay. Castro. Biligay sa loob. Pass to Argarin.
May foul. Pacquiao check the salary. Foul number. Sinabog foul. Albanadero, first personal foul.
2 shots. Substitution, get well sa idol. Felipe. Tira. And that's the end of our third period. Official score 52-51. You know, isa lang ang lamang ng defending champion. Get well soon, idol. Alright, tayo na daw na sa ating fourth and last period. Sino kaya ang papasok sa finals at haharapin ang San Juan Integrated School or San Juan Central sa ating San Juan City Federation 2026. Madidepensahan kaya ng defending champion ang kanilang titulo this season. And muli, maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta natin liga, especially to our beloved Mayor Francis Zamora and other City Council of San Juan. And shoutout din po kala former Kagawad Cordovilla Roderick. Ayan, and kay Dennis Nagutom and kay Ma'am. Ayan, magandang gabi po sa ating admin. Let's go, back to the ball game, fourth quarter. Kick out. Number 31, pull up. Wala, rebound ng Santa Lucia. And out of bound, last touch. West Crame basketball.
Focus ka lang pa!
Rep. Sorry, rep. Get the shot. Wala. Bola rito ng defending champion. Ayan na, fake. Wala pa rin, offensive rebound. Pass number 19, jump shot is good. 54-51. 51. Paul. Paso Andre, back to Paul. Paul, top of the key, 4-3. Wala, rebound by Malong. Malong, pass to. Ayan na, number 31. Uy. And that's a traveling violation. 54-51. Kililan. Pass to Paul. Pass to Andre. Andre. Wala. Rebound. Santiago. Out of bound. Bola rito ng West Carame Elementary School.
8 minutes and 2 seconds. 15 seconds.
Sa corner, jump shot. Wala. Rebound by Sunny. To Paul. Paul. Pass to Andre. Albalelejo for 3. Yes, para sa 3. For Andre. Albalelejo. Tabla tayo. Sa 54.
And
15 seconds to shoot. Number 31. Quick spin move. Balboa short. Number 21. By Herrero. Andre out and pass. Number 14 and 1. Assist by Andre Albaladeo. Finding open man. 2 shots. Tabla tayo sa 56. Roa on the free throw area for a bonus shot for a 3-point play. Wala. Rebound ng West Carame. Number 31. Balboa to number 31. Running shot. At nakabawi ang West Carame doon. Kililan. Pastos Espolita. Espolita, walang tawag. Balboa. Balboa side step and score. Time out. Santa Lucia. Official score 60-56 in favor of the defending champion. Time remaining 6 minutes and 41 seconds. Tignan natin ang timeout dito, ang Santa Lucia.
Back to the bench.
Ang correction pala. Sorry, hindi ko alam ang format niyo po. Thank you for advice, Coach Dek. Felipe! Oh, sorry, that's Felipe, right? Baba sa dalawa ang lamang ng defending champion. Number 31. Oy, short rebound by Felipe De La Cruz. What an extra pass. Esteban with a putback. Ayan na, tabla tayo sa 60. Binigay, Balboa, step back 3. Wala, rebound. Makuha rito. Number 8, wala pa rin. Rebound by Felipe. Out of bound. Correction po pala tayo sa ating district semis pala to. At waiting daw po ang Kabayanan. Integrated School.
Substitution. Labas, pasok, pasok, labas.
5 minutes and 45 seconds ang ating remaining time. Bola rito ng Santa Lucia Elementary School. Jai. Pinasa loob. De La Cruz. Miss. Rebound ng West Crame. Castro. Balboa. Pass to number 9. Running shot. No good. Rebound. Balboa gets the putback. Balik ang kalamangan sa West Crame Elementary School. Felipe, pass to Jai.
10 seconds left.
Torre,
12 seconds.
pass to Felipe. Felipe to De La Cruz. Pass to Felipe, miss.
Substitution.
Time remaining 4 minutes and 57 seconds. Felipe, pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz, short, rebound. Felipe, miss. Rebound ng defending champ. Ayan na, nagmamadali. Number 21, binigay sa loob. Oh! Jai. Torre. Setting on the play. Pass to number 14. Back to number 14. From elbow 3. Short. Rebound. Di Malong. Pass to Balboa. 3 against 2. Balboa with a cross. Balboa. Fade away shot. Miss. Rebound by Roa. Roa nakalusot. Roa. Ooh. Roa. Running shot. Basket for Roa. At nagpe-flex na dito si Roa. Tabla tayo sa 62 all. All 62. Castro. Pinasa sa loob at the post. Pinagay. Fake. Oh! That's a Raveling violation. Substitution. Felipe Espolita coming in for Felipe. Time remaining 3 minutes and 48 seconds left. Andre, pass to Jai. Setting on the screen. Jai, fake, back to Jai, fake. Jai, running shot, miss. Rebound, Espolita. Espolita, the guy, Andre, top of the key for 3. Yes, para sa 3. For Andre Albaladejo. Time out. What a dagger 3 for Albaladejo. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 21 seconds. Time out dito. Ang West Crame. 65-62.
Back to the ready. Ang mananalang team ay nakakatapat ang KIS.
Ayan, ang mananalo pong team ay kakaharapin ang District 2 ng Kabayalan Integrated School. Lamang ng 3 ang Santa Lucia Elementary School. Let's go! 3 minutes and 21 seconds. Bola rito ng defending champion. Number 13. Pass to Balboa. At the post, Malong. Malong fake. Tumira, wala. And gets the rebound by foul.
Foul number 16. Second person.
Malo, binigay sa corner. Umatake. And gets the foul.
Foul number 5.
Foul number 5. That's Esteban. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 1 second. Pinasa sa loob. Malong tumira at pasok para kay Malong. Mabasa isang lamang ng Santa Lucia. Andre Albaladejo to Jai. Back to Andre. Back to Jai. Setting on the screen. Jai, step back 3. Short, rebound. Makakuha ni Jai. Jai, 4-3. Walang tawag. Balboa, nagagawan. Steal by Andre. Andre. Oh. Out of bound. Bola rito ng West Crame. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 22 seconds. O 25 seconds rather. Ayan na. Castro. Stop and pump. Wala. Rebound by Espolita. Pass to Andre. 8 to Jai. Back to Andre. Andre di diskarte. Pass to Jai. Setting on the screen. Ayan na. Last 2 minutes. Jai 4-3. Short rebound. Makukuha ni Malong. Malong binigay. Castro nagpapadali. Binigay. Balboa. Wala. Rebound. Malong no good. Rebound by Esteban. Esteban nabitawan. Esteban steal. Makakuha ni Castro. Castro. Binigay. Balboa 4-3. Wala. Rebound. Out of bounds. Santa Lucia Elementary School Basketball. One minute and 29 seconds. 65-64. 1 point lead for Santa Lucia Elementary School. Substitution, Felipe and De La Cruz coming in for Pahe and Espolita. Ayan na, let's go. Jai. Torre. Paso Albaladeo. Albaladeo. Aga-agawan. Makuha ni Castro. Castro dire-diretso. Nakalusot. At time out ang Santa Lucia. Wow, time out dito ang ating Santa Lucia Elementary School. 66-65. Meron pa tayong natitirang 1 minute and 11 seconds ng ating fourth quarter.
Wala na pong time out ng Santa Lucia. Ang West Crame po may isa pa po.
Yeah, shoutout kay Brian Dizon. Shoutout din kay Jude Lores. Happy birthday.
Back to the ready. 1 minute and 11 seconds left.
Okay, let's go. Bola rito na ating Santa Lucia Elementary School. Siya ang mag-i-inbound. Pass to Felipe. Felipe. Reverse layup. Miss. Out of bounds. Same ball. 8 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 4 seconds. Felipe. Pass to Esteban. Miss. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng defending champion. Remaining time, 1 minute and 1 seconds left. Isang minuto na lamang po ang nating natitira. Castro. Pass to Balboa. Balboa, running shot. Wala. Rebound by De La Cruz. Pass to Esteban. Pass to Jai. Jai umatake. And one. For Jai Torre. Basket count and one for Jai Torre. Crucial free throw for Jai. Time remaining, last 38 seconds. Crucial free throw para kay Jai. Lamang na ang Santa Lucia Elementary School. Ayan na. Oh! Basket is good for a 3-point play. Last 38 seconds. Let's go. Number 31. Derecho Blanc. Ayan na. Felipe. Oh! Last 26 seconds. Left. 26 seconds remaining. Bola rito ng Santa Lucia Elementary School. Uy, munti ka na pang magawan. Last 25 seconds. Ayan na, bola rito. Outlet pass. Naitawid. Binigay. Number 14. Bounce pass. De La Cruz. Miss it. Rebound. Number 14. Nabitawan. Last 15.7 seconds remaining. Bola ng Santa Lucia Elementary School. Ayan na. Felipe. Uy, wala pa. Uy, uy. Kalma na tayo. Kalma lang. Let's go. Ayan na. Felipe. De La Cruz. Pass to Felipe. Nabitawan. There's a foul. He missed the shot pero may crucial free throw. Wala pa tayong penalty. Last 11 seconds. Bola rito ng white shirt. Oh! Bola rito ng West Grame. Di pa tapos ang laban. Time out dito ang West Grame. Oh my! Tingnan natin, depensa dito ang mga nakaputi. Time out ang West Grame rito. Time remaining, 10.4 seconds.
Let's go to the hit!
Yes, go! Shoutout mo tayo din sa West Grame. Magkakataon po ang West Grame. Makipapasok kaya nila ang bola. Is it a catch and shoot? Mag-aaron kaya ng himala? Or mag-aaron tayo ng overtime? Malalaman natin yan maya-maya lamang. Let's go. Last 10 seconds. 10.4 seconds. Bola ng West Grame Elementary School. Ayan na. Pinagay. Oh. There's a foul. That is third team foul. 9.9 seconds. 9 seconds na lamang po ang natitira. 3. Team foul. Ayan na. Binigay sa corner. Umatake. Wala. Rebound by Esmalita. Oh, sorry, that's a De La Cruz. Wow. Crucial free throw for De La Cruz. Mamaya. Bakasyon mo na dalawa. Mamaya. Okay. Wala pa tayong penalty. 4-team foul and 13 foul. Last 4 seconds. Ayan na, malalaman natin yan. Jai, gets a foul. Crucial free throw. Penalty. Jai Torre for a crucial free throw. Tingnan natin kung may papasok ng Jai ito.
Wala lang time out. 3.5 seconds. Ngayon po natin malalaman ang nakakatapang ng KIS.
Oy, wala. Teka. Di pa tapos ang laban. Second shot or crucial free throw for Jai Torre. Basket yan for Jai. 69-63. 3.6 seconds. Walang timeout ang magkabila. Ayan na. Oh! Outside. Last 3 seconds. Oh! What a smart move para Vicky Felipe. Ayan. Crucial free throw for Binky Felipe. Ayan na, to seal the game. Bang! At dito na po, nagtatapos ang ating laban. What a good fight from both teams. Ganda yan. What a good game from both teams. Wait. Ayan, congratulations to our Santa Lucia Elementary School and Get Well Soon, bro. Hey, shout out! Uwi na. Ano, shout out! Shout out! Alright, final score 70-16. Congrats, Santa Lucia. A nice game para sa West Crame. Nabiguman sila ngayong season. So magkakaroon tayo ng bagong kampiyon ng San Juan Federation.
Kaya, hindi ako kasi.
Wala pa akong sticker. Susunod na lang. Congrats, nice
Susunod na
game.
lang.
Oo. Okay, congrats. Bye-bye. Congrats.
Talo. Iyan ang sabi
Please don't forget to like and share and follow me on Facebook. Maraming salamat po.
Talo ako